Hello, this video is going to review how to do a mail merge. And a mail merge is helpful if you want to send an email to a large group of people. So you have a couple of hundred people that need to get an email and you don't want to have to send it to each one individually. So you can do this by starting with an Excel file. So in the Excel file, you want to have a title header, and you want to make sure that it has the first and last name of the person as well as their email. Of course, you might have other information. You're probably pulling this data from some type of database where you've collected this information, so it might have their major and other stuff about them, but you want to at least have these pieces. So you want to save this Excel file to your computer. So this is how you can create your own. Now in some cases, like in say you're building a mock form, for example, you might be able just to extract this data out of the mock form. So let's say that we've created a mock form, which is a program that is used to survey or to survey different groups of people. And let's say that I have sent it out and I want to see who has responded to it and send them an additional follow-up email via a mail merge. So I'll choose entries, and then I can come and filter by, and I can filter by whatever, specific things that I want to filter by. So maybe I want to filter by people who selected they would like to come to the November 25th session and apply that filter. Or if I don't want to filter, I can just select everybody and export. And when I export it, it's going to come into Excel. So that's another way you can get the data. So regardless of how you export the data, either from another program or you build it in Excel itself, you do want to have an Excel file that has the names, the first and last name, the email, as well as other information if you would like to have it. So that's the first step. The next step is in Word, type what you would like to be sent to them. So type out the email in Microsoft Word. So this is kind of the email that I'm going to create. And this is what it's going to send to them. So now what I want to do is start the mail merge process. So I am in Microsoft Word. And so I'm going to come to mailings. And then I'm going to choose to start a mail merge. And I want to pick a normal Word document because I'm going to be mailing from this document. Then I want to select recipients and I want to use an existing list. Here is where you're going to come and pick that Excel file that has that data in it, the names, the emails, all that stuff. You want to pick that file to pull from. All right. And now I can add in some additional things if I want to. So I can come in and insert a merge field. So I can insert their first name here. So this is going to be pulling the headers that you have in your Excel file. So here in my Excel file, I had the headers of first, last, and email, if you remember from earlier. And so that's why it's really helpful to have the name in there. So I can choose that, and so when it is sent to them, it would say, hello Sally, hello David, hello Autumn. It would pull in their first name from the Excel sheet. So it makes it look a little bit more personalized. So then we can come over here to finish and merge, and we want to send emails. So I'm going to choose to, and it's going to give me that same listing of the fields that are in my Excel file. And that's why it's really important to have email as a column in your Excel file, because that's how it's going to pull in where to email them to. And then you add in a subject line of what you would want the email subject to say. And then you want to just choose OK, and it's going to start the process of emailing them. And notice you can see the names kind of popping up as they go. If you have a really large list, I will say that sometimes this will kind of freeze up your computer a little bit. You'll see a spinning where your mouse cursor is. You'll see something spinning as the emails are being sent. So I like to do this at the end of the day, or when I'm out to lunch, or when I know I'm not going to be trying to do other things on my computer, so that it can just run its mail merge without me trying to do something else on that computer. So once it's complete, you can actually track the progress by going to the sent folder of your inbox. If you open up your email and go to the sent folder, you will see individual emails sent to every single person. And again, it just kind of did it in bulk. And so, like in this case, this one is one that is in my sent folder. And see, you can see where it pulled in his first name based upon that field. And this was what was sent to him. So that is the process of doing a mail merge, which again is a quick way to send a bunch of emails at one time based upon you having the email typed up in a Word document as well as you having the Excel file available with their names and emails at bare minimum. You might have more data, but you'll at least need their names and emails to send the mail merge.